Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Organized by Dorsey, where we take the very simple and inexpensive and make it elegant. Today I'm participating in a collab hosted by three wonderful ladies. It's Michelle from My Everyday Wife Life, Lisa from Lisa's Cottage, and Luann from It's Always Something Around Here. And it's the Clean Eating Challenge. Now the ladies for the entire month of August have been doing the Clean Eating Challenge. I only started last week and I wish I had started from week 1 because then I would have at least done 4 of these great collabs. But anyway, it's better late than never. I'm late to the party, but here I am, week 2. And I'd love to show you what I have done in terms of breakfast preparation in this Clean Eating Challenge on my week number 2, but on everyone else's week number 4. Today in the Clean Eating Challenge, I'm preparing for breakfast some almond flour muffins. And these are very basic ingredients here that I have. I have the almond flour here. I have lemon juice, some honey, olive oil, baking soda, and some eggs, of course, and the mixture is all ready. I'm doing 12, and this is the first 6 that I'm putting together. It's going to be for 25 minutes, baked for 25 minutes on 375 degrees. So let's see what it looks like when they're done. As you can see, the oven is set for 375, 25 minutes is all ready. And I'm going to be putting these in the oven right now. So the muffins are in the oven for 25 minutes at 375 degrees. So we'll bake them and see what they look like in the next 25 minutes. It's 20 minutes and they're already baked. I just checked and they are perfect. I have just taken them out the oven. I put them on this cooling rack here, and I will check again in another 10 minutes and put them in a container so that they are all ready for breakfast in the morning. Just as a reminder, I'll have the recipe for these wonderful muffins in the description box below. Also, I'll have a copy of the playlist as well, so you'll be able to watch all the other participants. But Lisa, Michelle, and Luann will have in their description box as well the information on the playlist. Thank you, Michelle, Lisa, and Luann for hosting this collab. And I'll remind everyone to go over to these ladies' channels, see the playlist that they have, subscribe to the channels that you like, and of course I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. That is if you have not already done so. Again, I can't wait to see what these ladies have up their sleeves for the next collab. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you next week in our next video. Goodbye, and of course, good luck.